So in this question, we need to find the radius of the circle. Here, the distance C to B is given as 10 units, while distance between A and B is given as 5 units. So let us try to solve this question. First of all, we can see that ABO, this is a right angle triangle. Alright. Now, the distance between C to O, let us assume it as x. C to O, let us assume it as x. So the remaining distance between O to B will be 10 minus x. Also, if you can see here, O to C is the radius of the circle and O to A is also the radius of the circle. So we can write OA is equal to x units. Now we have a triangle in which this side is 5, this is 10 minus x, and the hypotenuse is x. So we can apply Pythagorean Theorem here and we will get the hypotenuse squared, that is x squared, is equal to 5 squared plus 10 minus x whole squared. Now let us simplify this. So this will be 25 plus. We need to expand this bracket. We know the formula a minus b whole squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So on expanding this, we will get 10 squared plus x squared minus 20x. Let us cancel this x squared and x squared here and shift this minus 20x to LHS. So we will get 20x equals 25 plus 10 squared is 100. So 20x equals 125. So x will be equal to 125 upon 20. Let us divide it by 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. So x equals 25 upon 4. Let us express it in decimals. So it will be 6.25. So 6.25 is the value of x. And what is x? X is the radius of the circle. And hence, radius of the circle equals 6.25 units.